Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Quora account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Quora application, then get logged into your account. At the home page of your Quora account, you can see the profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. At the very last, you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. Under settings, you tap on privacy. Scroll to the very last. Here you can see the option of delete or deactivate your account. You can deactivate your Quora account just tapping on deactivate account in all languages. As we are going to delete our account, so we will tap on delete account. Before deleting your account, you need to provide your Quora account password. So go for it. After you provide your password, you tap on done on top right corner. Deleting your account makes your content and profile permanently inaccessible to other Quora users. That means deleting your account means your profile and all your data will be erased forever. So you tap on delete. Account deletion request successfully submitted. As you can see, I have been directed to the login page of Quora. That means my account deletion has been submitted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Quora account permanently. Thank you.